Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car, and we have got something really beautiful today. It's a Ferrari and it's from Tomica, and as you can see, it's a Ferrari Enzo. It definitely have to be something really special to be named after the founder of the company. So it was a really special car. It was a limited run. I think 400 cars were made. It was derived, most of the technology was derived from F1, a big V12 engine, naturally aspirated, and a madness of a car. Really fast, sounded amazing, and looked amazing too. So, let's check out the casting. So, this casting is from Tomica, and it's red. Ferrari looks amazing in red. And it's symbolic of Ferrari, like most of the Ferraris. They are red. Not all of the Ferraris, but they look great in red. So let's start from up front. And up front, first thing you will notice is this long nose. And if you look closely, it just looks like a F1 car with a cockpit in it. But then, it was derived from F1. So this casting is by Tomica, and if you see up here, it's nicely detailed. You can see the Ferrari logo here, you can see the headlamps in plastic rather than sticker, and up front you can see the grille, this nose of the Ferrari, and the hood scoop. Enzo was a beautiful car, and this casting really grabs the design around it and makes it look even better in red. So, and you can see the big windscreen up front. It's like a cockpit of an airplane. So, going on the side, you can see the Ferrari logo here, Ferrari badge here. These doors, which were not your typical doors. You can see that. Big vent here. Vent isn't painted. Of course, it's a mid-engine car, so it needs cooling at the back. And you can see how the body is wider compared to the cab, and if I'm not wrong, it was made of carbon fiber. So yep. So apart from that, you can see the running board down there, all the cut lines, the bumper cut lines, and the tail lamp. You can slightly see it from here. The only thing, again, it's a mainline Tomica, so the wheels suck. They look really bad on it. And apart from that, no mirror again, as I think you saw in my last video on the CRV, there was no mirror. Even this one doesn't get it. Apart from that, it's nicely detailed. You can see even the windows are nicely detailed. It's called the black trim and everything. So let's move on to the back. Back, you can see the Ferrari bouncing horse here, the Ferrari written here. You can see the tail lamps nicely detailed, the 4 tail lamps, which made it look really nice. And I think there were a few of the Ferraris on that time, they all got these 4 tail lamps, the round 4 tail lamps. Apart from that, no major details, like painted details. Obviously you see exhaust, diffuser and everything, but those are not painted. And if you see here, this was where the engine was. So mid-engine, big V12. Again, if you see closely, Tomica has tried to capture the details on the windshield too, the carbon fiber kind of detail, and fuel filler cap here. So yeah, so this is the Ferrari Enzo by Tomica, and it looks really nice. Apart from the wheels, everything else makes it look so nice and red, and I wanted it from a long time. I remember Hot Wheels used to make Ferrari, but when I started collecting them, I think it was like a year or so, they lost the license or something happened. They stopped making Ferrari scale models. So back home, I only have got like 4 or 5 Ferraris from Hot Wheels. Nothing else from. So this was a nice addition I really love this casting. I really like it. And let me know what do you think about it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.